The world of AI voice generation just got turned upside down. For months, ElevenLabs has dominated the market with incredibly lifelike voices that capture genuine human emotion and nuance. But now, there's a new player stepping into the ring, and it might just change everything we thought we knew about synthetic speech. Google has quietly released something extraordinary, a native speech generation system that doesn't just mimic voices, it captures the soul behind the words. Let me play you something, and I want you to guess whether what you're hearing came from a human or an algorithm.
It's not just about the workout. It's about the moment you push past your limits, the moment you realize you're stronger than you thought. With the right plan, the right mindset, and the right energy, change isn't just possible, it's inevitable.
Did that sound artificial to you? Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of MTech. Before we dive deep into this comparison, hit that like button and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve with the latest AI breakthroughs that are reshaping content creation as we know it. We're about to find out exactly how Google's breakthrough stacks up against the established champions in a comprehensive three-way battle that will determine the future of voice synthesis. Today, we're conducting the ultimate showdown between Google's text-to-speech, the industry standard ElevenLabs, and the popular CapCut TTS. I'll walk you through every step of accessing and maximizing Google's new platform, plus reveal which tool actually delivers the most convincing results. The real test of any voice generator isn't how it handles simple announcements, it's how well it can tell a story that grips your audience. I've crafted a 30-second emotional narrative that will push each platform to its limits. Same words, same story, three completely different approaches. Starting with CapCut's text-to-speech feature, I'll input our test script and select their most natural-sounding voice option. Here's what we get.
There was a time I thought I'd missed my chance, that the moment had passed me by. But then, something changed. A spark, a single step forward. And suddenly, the path I'd been searching for was right in front of me. We all have that turning point, the moment when hope returns and possibility becomes real. Maybe today is yours.
The result is functional but lacks soul. While the pronunciation is clear and understandable, there's an unmistakable mechanical quality that immediately signals artificial generation. The pacing feels predetermined, the emotional beats fall flat, and the overall delivery lacks the subtle variations that make human speech compelling. Now let's experience what made ElevenLabs the gold standard. Using their deep voice model with the same script produces something markedly different.
There was a time I thought I'd missed my chance, that the moment had passed me by. But then, something changed. A spark. A single step forward. And suddenly, the path I'd been searching for was right in front of me. We all have that turning point, the moment when hope returns and possibility becomes real. Maybe today is yours.
The transformation is remarkable. There's genuine weight behind each word, a natural rhythm that draws you into the narrative, and subtle tonal shifts that suggest real human interpretation. This is storytelling that commands attention and maintains engagement throughout. But here's where things become fascinating. Google's response to this challenge delivers something unexpected.
There was a time I thought I'd missed my chance, that the moment had passed me by. But then something changed. A spark, a single step forward. And suddenly, the path I'd been searching for was right in front of me. We all have that turning point, the moment when hope returns and possibility becomes real. Maybe today is yours.
The emotional depth is startling. There's organic pacing, natural breathing patterns, and an authenticity that rivals premium paid services. If someone played this without context, distinguishing it from human narration would be genuinely challenging. Accessing Google's revolutionary voice synthesis requires navigating to Google AI Studio through a simple search. The link will be in the description. The interface presents itself with clean, intuitive design elements that make complex voice generation surprisingly approachable. The platform organizes itself into 3 main sections. On the left, you'll find the structural framework where you establish base prompts and delivery instructions. Want a warm, welcoming tone? Simply specify that requirement. Need something more dramatic or whispered? The system adapts accordingly. The setter houses the script builder, offering visual organization tools for dialogue management. This becomes particularly powerful when creating multi-character content, allowing distinct personality assignment for each speaker role. The right panel contains the operational controls where the magic happens. Select Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview TTS as your model. This represents their latest advancement in emotional speech synthesis. Choose between single speaker output for straightforward narration or multi-speaker mode for complex dialogues and character interactions. Voice customization options include various personality profiles like Zephyr, each carrying unique characteristics. Some voices lean warmer and more approachable. Others maintain professional sharpness, while certain options excel at emotional expressiveness. Let's demonstrate the platform's capabilities with practical content creation. Starting with single speaker mode, I'll input marketing copy designed to test emotional range and persuasive delivery. Setting the temperature slider to maximum ensures creative, expressive output rather than monotone delivery. Processing takes slightly longer than ElevenLabs, but the results justify the wait.
Technology should do more than work. It should think with you, move with you, and adapt to your world. The future isn't about more gadgets, it's about smarter connections. The next big breakthrough? It's already in your hands.
The quality is exceptional. Natural pacing, appropriate emphasis, and those subtle pauses that typically require expensive professional tools are generated automatically. Testing alternative voice profiles reveals even more impressive results.
Technology should do more than work. It should think with you, move with you, and adapt.
The emotional authenticity is remarkable. This level of natural expression challenges our assumptions about what free AI tools can accomplish. Multi-speaker functionality opens entirely new creative possibilities, perfect for podcast production, educational content, or narrative storytelling with character development. The setup process involves establishing podcast-style delivery instructions, then assigning distinct voices to each participant. Here's how a natural conversation emerges.
I've been testing different text-to-speech tools, CapCut, ElevenLabs, and Google.
Oh yeah?
Which one's your favorite? Honestly, Google's TTS. It's completely free, and it actually sounds better than the other two.
Wait, better than ElevenLabs? That's impressive.
Yeah, smooth, natural, and no subscription fee. Hard to beat that.
The interaction feels genuinely spontaneous. Natural overlaps, realistic emotional responses, and conversational flow that would fool most listeners into believing they're hearing actual human dialogue. The platform includes pre-built templates for various scenarios, including cinematic conversations. Selecting the movie scene option automatically generates character-driven dialogue with appropriate emotional context.
Chloe, look at this. The Eiffel Tower lights up every hour at night. We have to see it from the Tocadero and then race to a Bateau Mouche for the river view. It's going to be epic.
I saw that, Liam. It does sound spectacular. A real Parisian icon, known for its dazzling beauty and romantic atmosphere.
Wow, I wish we could teleport there right now. Imagine zipping from museum to museum, hitting all the pâtisseries and seeing every single arrondissement.
It certainly has its appeal, rushing to see everything, but there are also benefits to a more relaxed pace, you know? We could just wander through Le Marais, discover little cafes, and really soak in the city.
This sounds like professional voice acting. The enthusiasm, wistfulness, and natural character interactions demonstrate sophisticated understanding of emotional context and dramatic timing. After extensive testing across multiple scenarios and voice types, Google's native speech generation represents a paradigm shift in accessible AI voice technology. While ElevenLabs maintains certain advantages in specific use cases, Google's free offering delivers professional-grade results that democratize high-quality voice synthesis for creators worldwide. The implications extend far beyond simple text-to-speech conversion. This technology enables independent creators, educators, and businesses to produce compelling audio content without significant financial investment or technical expertise. What's your take on this voice generation revolution? Drop your thoughts in the comments about how Google's offering compares to your current tools. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge AI content that keeps you ahead of the technological curve.